I'll be discussing the background of police accountability in Philly, go into the executive orders that have kind of defined the landscape, review general civilian oversight models, talk about some preliminary proposals and potential next steps. So first of all, it's no question that police misconduct hurts people in so many ways across the country. In Philly specifically, it costs, I'll be talking about some of the stats in Philly specifically. So here in Philly in the last decade, taxpayers have paid at least $5 million to officers through the arbitration process alone. In 2014, 2 plainclothes officers misidentified, shot, and killed an innocent man in Philly, leading to a $4.4 million payout. Those police officers, unsurprisingly, were never removed from the force, just moved to a different district. Then there are some of the sobering statistics. Even though Black people comprise just over 40% of the population in Philly, 81% of people shot at by police officers are Black. A study found that Black men are 2.5 times more likely to be killed by police than white people, and for Black women, the rate is 1.4 times more likely. It's also worth mentioning that police killings of unarmed Black men damage the mental well-being of members of the Black community as a whole. And finally, Philly police officers are rarely held accountable for their misconduct, as the next slide will show. According to data, more than 1/3 of officers terminated in the last decade were able to get their jobs back through arbitration, including all of the incidents that I've listed here from 2013 to 2019. More recently, the Philly Police Department recently benched 72 police officers whose offensive Facebook posts were flagged last month in a national database called the Plainview Project. And it is likely that they all got their jobs back through the arbitration process.